water resources development and consulting company, Watec is a science and technology enterprise in Da Nang City, specializing in research and application of science and technology in the field of meteorological and hydrological monitoring and natural disaster warning. Our vision is to become a leading enterprise in Vietnam and the region in providing natural disaster warning services and technologies, aiming to build a safer community against natural disasters. Watec constantly innovates and creates, developing useful devices and solutions, applying IoT technology to serve meteorological and hydrological monitoring and natural disaster warning. Watec's typical products include V-Rain Gauge Station, Water Level Station, V-Fast Countryside and Urban Flood Monitoring Stations, Broadcasting Station. With a professional operation and maintenance team and a modern management platform that is always updated and upgraded, Watec always ensures the continuous, stable and accurate operation of the installed equipment, ensuring that no equipment supplied and installed by Watec has to stop operating. The V-Rain Gauge stations manufactured by Watec have affirmed their prestige and superior quality nationwide. V-Rain Gauge stations have been integrated into the V-Rain Gauge system on a national scale, becoming the largest rain gauge network in Vietnam. The V-Rain Gauge system has developed over 2,500 stations covering the whole country. Real-time rainfall data of the V-Rain system of the National Steering Committee for Natural Disaster Prevention and Control, the Vietnam Meteorological and Hydrological Administration, and the Intelligent Operations Centers in provinces and cities to serve the forecasting, warning and response to floods. The water level stations are installed at rivers, streams or reservoirs to monitor water level in real time. Watec's water level stations use radar sensors, pressure sensors, and electronic sensors to ensure stable operation. The countryside flood monitoring stations are a creative product and useful solution that Watec has invested in and successfully researched to replace traditional flood warning stations to serve early flood warning for the community. They are installed in floodplains to monitor flood levels in real time. The flood levels at VFAS flood stations are connected to the water level monitoring stations of the National Hydrometeorological System to forecast and warn the flood level at the station's location according to the alarm level. The urban flood monitoring stations are a special version of the countryside flood monitoring stations that monitor and warn of floods in urban areas. The urban flood monitoring station has a compact size, high aesthetics, is suitable for installation in urban areas, and is easy to install and move when needed to change location. Water level stations, countryside and urban flood monitoring stations are connected to the National Hydrological Stations and integrated into the VFAS flood monitoring system to serve the command and response to floods and rescue in localities. Lessons learned from major floods show that text messages do not always reach everyone in the community. That's why Watec has developed the broadcasting station that connects to rain gauge station, water level station, and flood monitoring stations to automatically broadcast warnings to communities and residents when rainfall or flood depth exceeds the warning threshold. Watec is constantly striving to research and apply useful solutions to support early warning of natural disasters to the community. With a lifetime warranty policy for equipment attached to the operation and maintenance service, Watec not only ensures the continuous and timely provision of monitoring data to users, but also organizes the storage, sharing, and connection with relevant agencies according to regulations. Watec has and is deploying additional services, such as issuing rainfall newsletters and rainfall distribution maps, as well as continuously updating and upgrading software and smartphone applications to better serve the increasing demands of partners and the community in the effort to reduce the risk of damage caused by natural disasters. Watec looks forward to the sharing and cooperation of our partners to join hands in building a smarter and safer society against natural disasters.